Hi, and welcome to RPM Telco. Today we're going to be talking about adding a staff user. Now to add a staff user, all you have to do is go to the top left menu, go into Users, and start by clicking on the Add a Staff User button. From here you can choose a staff role. These are all just examples. You can set up your own in the staff role category. They all have different permissions. You can set them yourself. So say you don't want a few users to see commissions, or if you want them just to be CRM users, stuff like that. In this case, we're just be adding a demo user. And from here, we'll just type in their first and last name. And then we can generate their username from this button right here. You might get a error message if the username's already been used, or if not. If this is just for bookkeeping purposes, say you want to have a staff user in here for reference on some orders or contracts, but you don't want them to actually be able to log on, you can switch it from invite by email to manual password. Click on disabled and then hit finish, and that will just create the user as a record keeping data type thing. Or if you do want to invite the user to log in themselves, you can just put their email in here and hit finish. On this test example, I'm just going to set it as disabled. And so this was the error I was talking about before that you might get if your username has already been taken up. So you share this with every other subscriber of RPM, so it could be that test user or whatever combination of first and last names has already been used up before. So in this case, you can just be creative here. I'm just going to use 123 and hit finish again. It seems I've already used 123, so I got to be a little bit more creative. There we go, that should do it, and I've created a new user. Keep in mind that you will be billed for this on your next invoice if you do have it on enabled. If the login here says disabled, you will not be charged, so you don't have to worry about that. If you want to review the privileges or permissions that your user that you just created has, you can go ahead and click this role here, and it'll bring you to the role page, which will list out all of their permissions. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send us an email at support@rpmtelco.com. And thanks a lot.